Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. I am AJ. Just want to say thank you so much for joining me today. It was a wonderful day to trade in the room. I was up the first 30 minutes of the trading. I mean, it was so much fun, but I did get nitpicked on NVIDIA today. It's a stock that I know, but I chased it. And it is what it is. Can't cry over spilled milk. Anyway, hey, it's a wonderful day to get up. Dow was up 500, 600 points. Got some gap fills, bottom curls, and longed it for the day. Dow's currently up over almost 1,000 points, but the market really isn't reacting to it. Typically what we're used to, just kind of dragging its butt. So I'm going to do this webinar real quick for 10 minutes. If I do see a surge, I'm long and strong. I'm going to be long and strong making stocks. Um, my birthday is this Sunday, March 8th. And so I may, Friday, I will come in and do probably most likely pre-market notes, set everything up. And when I go on my break, I'll just turn the room over. And I want to kind of take Friday a little bit to myself, if you don't mind. After that, about 10 o'clock, I just want to close out and let the great Gianni and Dark Side take over the room. I don't think I need to stay here all day during my birthday. It'll be my birthday week. Hold on. I see a trade developing. Want to make sure. Want to make sure. Want to make sure. Nope. 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 Did not develop. Okay. I want to give a shout out to a very special person in here. Actually, two very special people. Uh, you got it. You can't. You have to give a shout out to Noel. I mean, you just have to. I mean, yesterday he posted his P&L and for the month for all of us to look at. And congratulations, Noel. Over $61,766.06. And round of applause. Dedication, commitment, constant learning. He actually brought in another client today. He's inspiring. He's phenomenal. He's a great dude. And this guy took a week off and still pulled in those numbers. I mean, I love him. I love him for his inspiration and his transparency. And, I've never met him in my life, and I hope one day I do. But I mean, this is beautiful, right? And then he DMs me, hey, I got another client coming in, got another client coming in. That's what we do, because he inspires people to learn or want to learn from what he does. And where does he learn it? Greatest chat room on the planet. And then I want to give a shout out to my man Adam. Adam News is just I'm honored. I'm honored every day he walks in this chat room because I know he's always got a play for us. He's definitely underfollowed. He's not one that celebrates himself on Twitter. He doesn't do that. He's very low key, but he's an amazing human being. He's a phenomenal trader, and he always gives us the best opportunities. And today, he came out on play today, and I want to give him a shout out for that. Play was, and he always gives us just it was just early. I mean, the alert was early. Anyway, here's the chatter news, and I've learned to play his stuff now. That you get the initial pop. Then you get the pull, but the alert came here. I said, traders, he's giving it too early. It's going to make a run. And people went long, waited for that curl on the flag, and it just ripped. So it was a great play. It really was by a great trader. And he gave it to us early. So I wanted to give a shout out. He gave it to us at 31 and went to 34. So we will be doing a chart on that one today. Adam News, and he gave it the alert right here, approximately at 7:01 Pacific time. All right, let me go around the show. We had our go-to stocks today. I was right on point. Apple and NVIDIA. I got 100% rating from the room today. Thank you so much. NVIDIA, I wrote in my pre-market notes the stock would come down to 267, bottom curl and long for the day. I figured it would go at least to 276. The stock ended up going to 280. Phenomenal trade. Hold on one second. I think this is getting ready. Hold on. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying to get up there. It's pushing. There it goes. See if it gets it there. Hold on. There it goes. I get some. I got $132. Did you see that? I got $132 just now. See that? I got that pop. Did you watch that? I got $132. I am now $770.83 on Tesla alone. And see it move? I just timed it perfect, did I not? Yeah, there it goes. There's the takeoff. There you go, David. Now, let's just see if it can run. I knew it was getting ready to break, but I don't know if I want to trade it anymore, boss. But I will take some TDD here because I think that'll run. If the Dow starts to accelerate to 1,000, we might get a nice little push here. Let me see here. Oh, there goes Tesla again. It's starting to run. Be careful with your size. Careful with your size. It's trying to push. It's trying. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Get what you can. Get what you can. It's starting to run. Get what you can. $812.72 total on Tesla. $812.72 I made on Tesla so far. I think it's going to pause a little bit here. I think it's going to pause a little bit. Yeah, there comes the pause. I'd like to see it pull back here if I can. Okay. This is live trading, by the way. I'm recording this. I didn't even realize it, but I went long here at 737.41. It popped, sold it for $120. Took it again, $50 more. Took it again. I believe I got $28 on that. Total trade on it, $812.72. I will post later on Twitter. Here comes another push. So what I'm going to time it now. This is how I time it. Here comes the pullback, right? Here comes the pull. Here comes the pull. Here comes the pull. And there goes the pop. See how it pulled? Here's the pop. And then you just go like that. And you nail it to the upside like that. And you get it. There you go. You see how it popped? Got it. It's all timing. It's all on your wrist. Pull back again. Pause. Right? I'm looking for that 745 level. 745. So you're 743 again. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Pull in a little bit. There it goes. $859.06 now made on that trade. There it goes. I'm just scalping. There's 66. There's 74. What's that 745? He wants the 745. See it trying to get up there. There's 744.45. Wants it. There it goes. 745. See if it gets there. I'm not in it right now. I should have took it though. Oh, shop just moved. Okay, there's a little pull there. Perfect. Dow's up. How much? 967. NVIDIA pushing. I don't want to touch NVIDIA. I don't care how beautiful it looks. I should have went off shop. That one just rocked. You see shop? When the Dow pushes, shop really pushes. Look at that. That just pushed 2. All right. Currently up $859.06 on Tesla, $223.98 on TDD. Okay, let me go back to my webinar recap. Sorry about that. So during the webinar, I made what, about $230, $240. Okay, the next one we did was NVIDIA. I wanted a 267 pullback, and then bottom curl go long. Apple, I wanted the same thing. I wanted this one to go to 293 per my notes, and they were all written down before the market even opened right here. I'll show them to you right here. Tesla, Apple, and NVIDIA. There is your 267 entry, and there is your 293 entry on both of those. I did a stock this morning called ARCT at Indio. Indio was a small cap stock for my small cap short sellers in here. And so what I did is I called for a short pre-market all the way down. Okay, hold on. There's my test. My that was at 986. We're accelerating. Okay, hold on. Come on, baby. Hold on. It's got to get momentum. I got to get momentum behind it. Once momentum comes in behind it, I start to play it. I don't have momentum, but now that I'm talking, momentum will come. Momentum will come. Then you'll hear me go long. I need momentum. I don't have momentum. It's just no. I have no momentum right now. Yep. I don't feel it. I don't feel it. Okay. Got to have the momentum. Oh, wait, Apple's running because the Dow's running almost to 1,000, so that's going to run, and NVIDIA's going to run. You can pick up the Tesla, the TDD long traders, TDD. You can trade that right now. That should go to 276 before the close. You make a point on that. Tesla's kind of dragging, so I don't know if it needs to get the momentum. Once I think 744 comes, we'll get the rest. But the momentum dried, so I want to be careful. It's got to pull around the corner, 44 pop, and then we can run the rest. Okay, so I'll keep an eye on it. Clovis pushing in the hour. Okay. Okay. The next one we did was TDD. No, we didn't. I said we did Apple, NVIDIA. We did a stock called Inyo. This one the great Raphael gave us yesterday in the $5 range. Well, today the stock ran all the way to 940. It was a 4-point play. I wanted to short the stock, so I called for a short at the open to 775. Bottom curl and then long the stock to 9. Then shorted again. It was our number 1 play today. It was written down, scripted for everyone, and the reason why. The next stop we did was ARCT. This was gapping up on a collaboration. I looked at it, made the decision the stock would be a short, called a short at the 20 range, said it would come down to 15, 15.25, it hit 15.18. Next stock I played that we called out was Ver. This was another development collaboration. There was everything wrong on this headline. I called for a short at 48, room to add to 50. I said the stock would come down to 42, bottom curl, go long. Ver, beautiful play there. Beyond Meats, this one, I got an upgrade this morning. So I called also almost a go-to stock, but because it had the upgrade, it made it easy for me to trade. So I called for a pull at the open to 97 and then long to 101. And it's hitting 101 right there. And these are all scripted before the opening bell. And then I go over them 10 minutes before the bell rings, and I go over each play. UNH, this is a healthcare stock. We had a few of them in play, but this one I called for a long at the open. I believe I called it 295, then a short, 10 to 12 points to the downside. Hit $282 on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me do one more. Shop. was a beautiful trade. I called this one to come down to 485 at the open, and then long all day move to the upside as long as the market held back to 503 to 505. Stock is now 503 and 504.79. You don't believe me? Take a look at the chart. Take a look at the shop. Here's the shop right there, and there's your entry. Stock would come down to 485, bottom curl, go back into 502 for 10, 15 point play. And that was shop. I ended up positive today. Another green day for me. Thank you so much. Working hard. Want to be consistent. My main play today was obviously Tesla. It's my baby. And I've been playing for 3 weeks. Get better each time I do it. So, and I'm happy to report yesterday when I did the webinar, I was saying I was down, I was down 17, had to go get it back. Not this time. I just made money from right out of the gate. So I was really proud of myself. So anyway, thank you so much, and I hope you become a part of our room. It's a wonderful trading place. I love it, and that is today's webinar recap. Thank you for allowing me to do some trades during the live recap, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.